So what's going on this week up here? Whew, what's cooking?
There's a lot going on. I decided the greenhouse, Mom's old house,
Okay.
that I am gonna hire a moving company to pick it up off the foundation, move it across the street.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Why? Why?
I mean, it's either I move it or I have to tear it down. The deed only allows us to have one house on the 7 acres. So to save this house, I'm gonna move it across the street to our other property. And it's just been such a part of our family for the last 20 years. So first of all, I wanna preserve an old house.
Right.
The house was built in the 1900s, but it's also a house I've always wanted to renovate.
Who's gonna design it and everything?
I mean, I'm so used to doing what I want to do, but since it's a family home, I kind of need to bring everybody into the mix and...
Oh, you asking for trouble? The whole family deciding?
Yeah, I know. So this is insane. We're actually gonna lift this house up and move it.
That's gonna be so
It's
cool.
Amazing. I've never done anything like this.
I'm excited.
Matthew is currently living there with his son, Aiden. I mean, this house has been... It's been in the family for 20 years now.
Right.
And it's always just kind of been a temporary house for somebody. So to like really finally make it a home is gonna be so great. We found the perfect spot to move the house. It's just right down the road from where it's currently sitting. It's so much quieter and the views of the farm and the horses are amazing. There's still a lot of things inside that we have to figure out. So I think we get in the house and really talk some things through. The staircase, the newel posts, I come out here and I always forget how absolutely amazing this is. Wow. I haven't been in here in such a long time. Everything is exactly the way I hate it. I can't wait to get those nasty kitchen cabinets. First thing, we need all new cabinets,
New floor.
new floor.
I do like the trim.
I do as well, actually.
Yikes.
You don't?
No. So I want to take this part of the kitchen
All
and
right.
have this be a walk-in pantry.
So this kitchen's gonna be tiny.
Not really.
No? Are there gonna be any windows at all?
No. There'll be the wall here.
Okay.
When you're in the space, you don't think it can fit.
So there's gonna be no windows.
My sister Sharon, out of all my brothers and sisters, is the most like me. She's very opinionated. This whole thing is gonna get opened up.
That's
so
true.
all the light from the living
Will
room
come
is
this
gonna
way.
flood in
good.
here.
I don't know how.
No, I get it. Trust me, we'll figure it out.
Okay.
The next steps, we gotta get you moved out and
right.
start getting this house jacked up and ready to move. Matthew and Aiden are gonna stay with me while we move the house and complete the renovation. I can't believe we're picking up a 110-year-old house. So it took about 2 weeks to get this thing lifted up and moved off the foundation. So now I guess the next step is to get this thing on wheels and get it rolling down the street. I know I always go over budget when it's on a project of my own.
Yes.
So you are gonna really have to keep me in line here.
I'm trying.
We already have, what, $40,000 to move the house.
40,000, yep.
A new foundation's about $17,000.
Okay.
A new septic.
Probably about 20, 25 for the septic.
The well, I have no idea what a well costs. You
Well, it's
met
gonna
with
be
him.
about 10.
So we're talking $100,000 just to move this. Probably $250,000 to renovate. Over at the new site, we're prepping the foundation so that it's ready for the house. It's been weeks of work and years of preparation. Today's the day we finally get to move this house to its new location. I'm a mix of emotions, and I'm so glad that my family's here today to share this with me. There's now a house in my field.
I love being able to see the front of the house for the first time.
I know, right?
It's a very pretty house. But you never saw it. You never saw it.
We'll keep the kitchen right where it is, but if we add on a few more square feet in the back, that'll give us room for a large island and an oversized kitchen sink. The back stairs have to go, and this is gonna leave us a lot of space to put in a large pantry. With the back stairs gone, we can add on to the front stairs, giving access to the new mudroom and the new door to the back of the house. We'll add a half bath under the front stairs, and this will give us that much-needed first floor bathroom. Oh! The ceilings are coming down. Jeez. I can't see anything.
John, you're being attacked by Scott.
New framework is going up. And the kitchen addition is being built.
Ooh, that's already looking good.
The white marble countertop makes this look like a whole new kitchen. And the dark floor tile is totally industrial. It's just like my family wants.
This house is so special to John and his whole family. So in the spirit of that, I kind of asked him to just get out of the way and let me kind of take over all the final details, because I want this sense of wonder when he walks in, that like surprise his family will have. I want him to have that too.
I'm not ready for this. Can't handle it.
I'm ready for it.
That's a small gang of knights. There's a lot more.
4 of them alone are intimidating.
Ooh, I like it already.
Yes.
Me too.
Oh my
Look at
goodness. I love the stonework. You dressed it up so nice with all the flowers. The yellow
garden.
door, the yellow
Yes.
door.
It's just gorgeous.
And the thing that, you know, really was missing on this house was that before we moved it, the front door was facing the street.
Yeah.
We never really saw this door.
No.
We never really used this door.
It was hidden away, and you had to use the back door because you couldn't get to the front door. This is just amazing. Ah, the woodwork's
No
great.
way.
Oh, the stairs got painted. I love this.
Wow.
I love the green.
I love the contrast of the stairs and the banister. Now, with the banister, you can see all the fine details.
Yeah.
I must say that I've always loved this newel post, and we never used the front door, so nobody ever saw it.
There's a lot that's changed, and I'm liking this. Especially the opening. There used to be a wall right there.
Yeah.
That was a great idea.
Can I see?
You guys want to see the next space?
Oh,
Yes, we do.
No.
Come on in.
Oh, no!
My God.
No! Oh, look at that!
My
This
God.
is dope.
I love the
Amazing.
couch.
Oh, my God. Wow.
This room actually was Matthew's drum room. I had painted the walls red.
I love the wallpaper. Oh my goodness. This is incredible.
What?
Yo, this is awesome.
I love that workbench under the TV. That's cool.
Oh,
This is dope.
my goodness.
Wow. I love the ceiling.
It has a very rustic feel.
Very rustic.
And look at the exposed lath. That's how they really used to make walls.
Very original.
Yeah.
Yes.
It shows like how old the house is, really. You know what I mean?
And that was my whole thing with the lath and the ceiling. I wanted to do like farmhouse deconstructed and just give it a unique edge to it.
Well, you got it. You succeeded.
You ready to go to the next one? Come on, let's go.
Oh my goodness. So
You gotta be kidding me.
different. Look
This
at
is
this
crazy.
island.
An island.
What?
Are you telling me this is a fridge? Is that what you're saying?
Where's the fridge?
Is that what you're saying?
And these lights are great, too.
Elegance and the industrial, those words we're touching on with the lighting and the hardware and such.
Look at the farmhouse old
Oh, I
sink.
know. This sink is just amazing.
What is that, soapstone?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Everybody agreed on bathing kid cast iron sink. And somebody might have changed his mind just a little bit. He ended up with this instead of the cast iron.
Thank goodness.
I like it. I love it. All right, that's perfect.
Oh, no.
Yo,
That's awesome.
Right.
this is great.
Now we have this brand new pantry with the beautiful marble, all new lighting. We replicated the wood to be the same style that it was.
Perfect.
There's more, so let's keep going.
Oh no!
There, now we're talking.
Nice. That is cool.
Look at that.
Boston Garden. These two chairs
So cool, right?
from the Boston Garden. Just to have them here, it's like a reminder to us. We've been doing it for 35 years, and every time we come in here and sit down and take our shoes off, we're reminded of how far we've come.
You know, it's not every day somebody can just take a house from across the street and move it and renovate it for their family. You know, and it's just been a great life. And we are so privileged. And, you know, I don't take that for granted.
Thank you for everything that you've done to make this a beautiful place for us to gather.
Well, we are blessed, John, to have you in our lives.
John has always been the one with the big heart. That's why we get to have these moments together, because of you know, because of your your heart, you know, your spirit. It pulls us all in and brings us together, and we're so lucky to have you.
Oh my goodness. But everything turned out amazing.